Make money selling holiday card templates? Well, if that's something that interests you, then stay tuned throughout this video because I'm going to show you step by step how to make a holiday card template, where to go to sell it, and some simple tricks to help you make more money from the templates that you're selling. Alright guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to design and sell holiday card templates. This is going to be a pretty cool episode because I'm going to show you exactly how to design them and where to go to actually sell them. Alright, so before I get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I like to talk about make money online, affiliate, digital, internet marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to get notified when I put out these videos, and also if you feel like it's value add content, please give me a like. If you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in the future, and also if you have any questions about today's content, post them down below and I will reply. Alright guys, and if you're more interested in a passive income, one that can make you between $100 and $300 every single day, then click the link down below, my #1 recommended make money online method, and click that link and I'll send you some information. Alright guys, let's get on with today's video on how to design and sell holiday card templates. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, I know we've all heard of Canva, right? So Canva has some holiday card templates. Now, this is one thing I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you a more advanced so you can get even more money for your holiday card templates. But this is going to be where you're going to get all your inspiration from, all right? So we're going to come over here to Canva, we're going to search holiday card, and it's going to bring you up to this, all right? So we got all these different cards, right? We got photo cards, we got whatever you want, right? They got tons of different cards. We're going to do Christmas since it's almost Christmas time and it's all about the season right now. So we're going to do Christmas and we could do some simple stuff here. All right, guys, look, check this out. We can do happy holidays, blah, blah, blah. Now, there are free ones and there are paid ones. All right, so this image here is from Canva, so it's watermarked, but you put whatever image you want. So this could be a template, right? You can put whatever you want in here, right? So this could be some Christmas decorations, right? So we could just search in here, Christmas elements. I'm sorry. So if you go to elements and type in Christmas, right? It's going to show you a bunch of different little things you can put in here. This will just give you some ideas, right? Now you can go to like Pixabay or someplace like that and get stock photos so you can actually put different photos up in here. All right, so you got to be kind of creative. Maybe put some Christmas lights up here, whatever, right? But this is the template that you would use. All right, so let's go back to the templates here. Oops, I done screwed it all up, didn't I? All right, let's go back to these holiday cards. Go back to Christmas. And I'm just going to show you, like, there's these are already here, right? So enjoy the holidays, spreading cheer, whatever. Happy holidays from our family to yours. So you can start getting ideas, right? Now, where do you go to once you make these, right? You can come in here and change this to whatever you want. That's that's what makes this so awesome. Wishing you and your family, sending our love, something so simple as this, right? Maybe you could slide this over some and maybe stick a picture here of your family. So guys, you got to be creative, but it's not hard. All right, so just to give you some inspiration, where we're going to go to sell these is you're going to sign up for an account on Etsy and you're going to come into Etsy. Okay, these are Christmas card templates. All right, so you could come in here and check out this template, right? This is a template, so it's got this outside thing here, and they're just popping their picture in, right? That's all they're doing here, all right? So you can sell these things. Now, this says a PSD printable. So what this is it's a PSD file, which is a Photoshop file. Now, you want to get more advanced? You could come in here, you get this template, right? You figure out what you want, then you come over here to this program called GIMP. GIMP is a free version of a similar product, very similar to Photoshop. It's very intensive and very powerful, but you can create PSD files without spending $300 on Photoshop. And it's not very hard. If you already have the template, like something like this, it's very easy to add text and just bring in this template, blank template, right? And then put text on top of it so you can save it as a PSD file so they can actually edit this text. All right? But you can go to Etsy and you can just be like, I'm just selling holiday card templates. I'm not selling the PSD files, right? So you could be like, I will add the text, I will add whatever, and sell that. You can see how much these cards are going for. $8, $8. Look, 1,500 stars. And this is simple, guys. Look, if they could send you, right, this information, just upload your photo, and boom, here it is, right? So easy, so simple, easy way to sell cards. Now, that's not the only place you can sell the cards. You can probably go over here to Fiverr, right? Let's go over to Fiverr and see if they have holiday cards. I'm sure they do. I'm sure somebody on here is doing holiday cards. And then you just got to be creative and find places that are selling holiday cards. I will design cute personalized Christmas and holiday greetings. I will design Christmas cards and holiday cards. Boom, right there, $5 all day long. And right now is a perfect time to be doing this, guys. Look, you're not giving anything but the $5 card out, and it's just a PNG. Look, premium card, you're still not getting the source. You're not getting the source until actually you spend $50. That's when you're going to get the PSD file. All right. So what I would do is I would sell these two versions, and that's it. Right. So there you go. You have your files that you're going to be selling. Right. So simple, guys. $5, $15. You can come in here and make so many different cards. You can go here and go to Etsy and look at different formats, right? So just to give you more and more ideas of how to do this. So get out there, create some holiday cards, create an account on Fiverr, create an account on Etsy, and start selling Christmas cards. Now, guys, this is trading time for money. If you're more interested in a passive style income or learning how to do affiliate or internet digital marketing, then the link down in the description, the #1 recommended make money online method that I have down in my description. Click that link and I'll send you more information about a passive income or becoming more of a internet digital entrepreneur like myself. All right, but if you're just looking to trade time for money, these are a perfect idea for the holidays where you can actually go in and make some serious money. All right, guys, just go ahead and just do this. Learn GIMP. This will allow you to sell the actual PSD files where they can actually edit the vector files. But if you don't want to get that detailed, you've seen right here on Fiverr, you can sell $5 to $10 all day long just right out of here. All right, guys. So you can just create, and it's just awesome. All right. You can just come in here and just use your imagination. This could be a picture of a family. It's great stuff, guys. All right. So my wish to you is you take massive action. You come over here, you create an Etsy account, you create a Fiverr account, you create a Canva account, and you start creating holiday cards. All right, start selling holiday cards. You got the next 2 weeks just to go freaking bonkers and hardcore, and hopefully somebody will start buying some cards from you. You can make a couple $100 before Christmas. All right. All right, guys. I hope you got some value out of this. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post it down below. And again, if you're more interested in passive income, click the link down below, my #1 recommended make money online method, and I will get back to you on that. All right. Peace out. Take care and have a good weekend.